Cartoon Explosion, the classic animation super show packed with wild characters, fun, fact, and trivia, all aimed at having a good time. With your host and my best pal, Dr. Tom Reich. He's the guy that brought me and a lot of my famous friends back to life. Now, we can all laugh, learn, and have a lot of fun in the world of Cartoon Explosion. Whoa, dog, wait a minute, don't blow that.
Welcome to Cartoon Explosion, where we bring you the wildest, wackiest adventures ever created.
Can we sing today? La 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 la!
Why yes, Cappy. Let's give the folks something really special.
You want me to sing opera?
No, Cappy. For our final show of the season, we wanted to bring you 3 of our very favorite cartoons. We hope you've laughed with us and learned a little something along the way.
And the singing! Don't forget the singing! Don't forget!
From the twisted mind of Tex Avery, here's Doggone Tired. Notice how Tex Avery got maximum humor from animated animals, without the animals uttering a word. Tex Avery always considered himself an animation outlaw, the anti-Disney animator. But boy, could he make us laugh.
Boy, was that fun! Be right back, right after these nice folks tell you about their stuff. Glad to see you back. Ready, set, go!
Let's join our old pal Gabby as he shows us it's a happy day. Many of the lavish castle scenes and songs were actually created for the feature film Gulliver's Travels, but hit the editing room floor. So the Fleischer artists made good use of the leftovers in this classic short. Fleischer Studios had big plans for Gabby, including his own feature film, but it was never to be. The studio went bankrupt and dissolved less than a year after the release of this wildly popular classic.
The green outdoors, a man's country. Take a good rip. See? That's fresh air. There's your lake, trees, birds, and flowers, and all kinds of things and stuff like that there. Hey! That ain't no way to set up a tent. There you are, all fit as a fiddle and ready to move in. Say, wait a minute. It's a cinch when you know how to do it. Don't you want to rest a bit? What comfort. Before you chop a tree down, you gotta know where it's gonna fall. You measure the height, figure the square root and round numbers, and make a mark.
Get me out of here! Now look what you've done. You ruined everything. Where am I going to sleep tonight? You little...
Don't get excited, Mayor, old boy. All that you need is a hammock and a couple of branches, and you can have the stars for a blanket. Ah! This is the life. Huh? Oh, let me down.
You watch this commercial while I sing a little bit for Tom. Welcome back. Here's Tom.
Finally, here's Superman in his award-winning science fiction masterpiece of an adventure, Mechanical Monsters. This cartoon was considered to be the most complicated animation ever produced when it came out way back in 1940, and it still stands up to the best cartoons of today. Many modern-day animation historians consider the Adventures of Superman series by the Fleischer Studios to be the roots of modern-day anime.
you doing here?
Oh, just getting the woman's angle on this story.
The mechanical monster! Look out!
Come on, you fool! You want to get trampled?
Now you wait here. I'll phone this in. Yes, I'll give you the details later, Chief. All right, Lois. Lois! This is a job for Superman.
What a story this is going to make.
The jewels. What have you done with the jewels?
You'll read about it in tomorrow's paper.
Are you going to tell me what happened to those jewels?
when she's doomed.
That's a wonderful story, Lois.
Thanks, Clark, but I owe it all to Superman.
Da 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 da. That was cool. Can we see one more? Just one more, please. One more.
Not today, Cappy, but I hope real soon. See you next time for more of the wildest, wackiest adventures ever created.
Bye.